Understanding change request, an essential English phrase for beginners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into an important English phrase that you might come across in various settings, especially in the workplace. The phrase is change request. Understanding this phrase can be really useful, whether you're in a professional environment, working on projects, or just looking to expand your English vocabulary. Let's get started. Change request refers to a formal proposal for an alteration to some product or system. In a business context, it often means a request to change a project's plan, schedule, or resources. It's a common term in project management, and business settings. Understanding this phrase is crucial because it's often used in professional communication. Now, let's see how to use change request in a sentence. This will help you grasp its practical usage in everyday English. 1. The team submitted a change request to increase the budget for their project. 2. After reviewing the initial plans, the manager asked for a change request to modify the design. These examples show how change request can be used to refer to the act of asking for changes in various aspects of work or a project. Change request isn't limited to just one field. It's used in project management, for adjustments in project scope or resources, IT and software development, for changes in software features or updates, business and administration, for changes in policies or procedures. Understanding the context can help you better understand the nuances of its usage. And that's a wrap on change request. This phrase is a key part of English vocabulary in professional settings, and understanding it can greatly enhance your communication skills, especially in the workplace. Remember, learning English is a journey, and every new phrase you learn opens up a world of possibilities. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.